Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to bypass a CAPTCHA verification on your iPhone starting from now. Who hates doing this? For example, it's very irritating. You're just you're surfing the web, you're surfing your Safari or Google, and suddenly you're presented with this CAPTCHA. Before you proceed your survey, please complete the CAPTCHA below. I'm sure you're very familiar with these error messages, or rather, pop-up notifications, which are CAPTCHAs, right? So how I'm going to teach you now how to disable it. First things first, please go to your settings, and then once you're in your settings, let me just go back here. This should be your landing page, right? Now the first thing we want to do, of course, go to your general tab first. This one right here is going to be general, and then I'm going to ask you to kindly go to your software update tab, which is this one. I'm going to hold it so it will be highlighted for you guys. That being said, I want you to check for your update. Make sure you are very much updated with every iOS devices you have, because it's very important to get the best features or the most updated versions of iOS you have. Well, as you can see here, I have iOS 16.6 pending update available on my end. I will not update it as of now, so you won't have to wait long to proceed on the video. Anyway, before you proceed on your own, if you're trying to do this method, I encourage you to download this first before proceeding, because this method is only available for iOS 16, okay? So since I already have iOS 16, I'm just gonna go back here. I'm just gonna update that layer. Now go back to your settings and then click on your profile, your name right there, and you're gonna be on this landing page. From here, I want you to click on the second option, this one right here, password and security. Let me just enter it, hit there, give it a few seconds to load. Perfect. Now at the very bottom part, there should be an advanced. This is a new feature, that's why I asked you guys to update it. This is only available for iOS 16. It's gonna be the advanced option right here, automatic verification. As of now, I am already toggled on. Now I'm gonna also toggle it back off so you can guys follow me. Toggle back on, make sure it's colored green. Once it's green, I assure you guys that it's already working perfectly. So from here now, if you're using your iPhone, you won't have any CAPTCHA presented upon yourself. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.